friends, let's know about Clickaine AI tool. It's basically for the gain traffic and buy traffic. It means a advertiser makes a traffic and publisher purchase a traffic. It's a affiliate e-market platform where generate a sales for the publisher and advertiser generate traffic and give a conversion. So this platform uh, you can more understand if you go advertiser platform. Here you can see that here it's a dashboard. You can see that when you join as an advertiser, you can see that and this platform, if you gain a traffic and create a campaign and this type of interface you can make like this: campaign days, hours, countries, operator. You can see that run campaign and easily you can know about campaign. So this type of analytic. Here you can start advertising now. It's basically a multiple type of affiliate network here, and you can use for the advertising. Yeah, benefits, payment gateway. You can see that. And now go for the publisher platform. You can see that publisher platform. It's the same, and it usually used for the publisher. How he gets a traffic and all these things analytic is a similar. uh, Advertiser give a traffic and publisher gain a traffic. You can see that here. Easily register, and after that you get a code and install that code on your website and monetize your audience here, receive revenue. These things you can use here. Now you understand how to use Clickaine AI tool.